Granite State Credit Union Scam Busters are
here to keep you updated on trending fraud.
Share tips to keep your personal information safe.
And to answer all your fraud-related questions.
Today's episode of Scam Busters will be covering home repair scams.
With home repair scams, be cautious of fraudsters posing as contractors. These fraudsters will call or show up at your doorstep unannounced, offering to do work for you, but will 1. Take your money and not do the work, 2. Make matters worse than when they started, or 3. Overcharge you or claim more work is needed and increase your bill without any warning. Quick ways to spot a home repair scam. Contractor shows up unannounced, will ask for a large down payment up front or will only accept cash, will pressure you to make decisions, make claims that they can save you money by using materials that they have left over from another job, suggest that you borrow money from a lender that they know, or will ask you to get the building permits needed for the job. Avoid these fraudsters. Here's what you should do when hiring a contractor. Make sure no work is done until an estimate and contract are signed. Even if your state doesn't require a written agreement, get one anyway, and make sure it includes all the project details. Get at least 3 estimates from other contractors. Check that the company has a license and insurance. Read reviews and ask people you know and trust for recommendations. Don't pay the full amount for the project up front. Got a question for Scam Busters? Ask us below.
Stay alert, share these videos with friends, and together we can fight fraud.
If there's something strange on your online account, who you gonna call?
Scam Busters!